In today's video, I'll show you how to analyze your marketing email campaign performance in Hubspot. If you've been running email campaigns to reach your audience, understanding how they perform is key to improving your strategy and driving better results. Let's dive right in and go step by step. Start by opening your web browser and heading to hubspot.com. Once there, click on the Log In button in the upper right corner and sign in. Using your account credentials after logging in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard, where all your tools and marketing options are displayed. From the main navigation bar at the top, hover over or click Marketing. This section contains everything related to your marketing activities, from ads and social media to email campaigns. Now, go ahead and click Email to open your email management area. Here, you'll see a list of all your campaigns, both active and past. Each campaign represents a set of emails you've sent to your audience, along with key data you can analyze. To take a closer look at any campaign, find the one you'd like to review and click the Actions button next to it. Then, select View Details from the drop-down menu. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the Details section, and this is where the real insights begin. This page provides you with essential metrics like open rates, click-through rates, bounce rates, and unsubscribe counts. These numbers tell the story of how your audience interacts with your emails. For example, a high open rate indicates your subject lines are performing well, while a strong click-through rate shows that your email content is engaging and persuasive. If you notice certain campaigns performing better than others, take note of what made them stand out. Perhaps it was a more personal subject line, a clearer call to action, or the time you scheduled the send. Likewise, if a campaign didn't perform as expected, this is your opportunity to identify what might need adjusting. Maybe the message wasn't relevant enough, or your audience segment wasn't quite right. HubSpot makes it easy to compare results across multiple campaigns, allowing you to track progress and refine your email marketing approach over time. By consistently reviewing these analytics, you can make data-driven decisions that strengthen your strategy, improve engagement, and ultimately boost conversions. And that's it. You've just learned how to analyze your marketing email campaign performance in HubSpot. Keeping an eye on these insights will help you understand your audience better and continuously improve your marketing results. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other HubSpot guides for more tips on mastering your marketing tools and growing your business efficiently.